So today I'm gonna make some nachos, some very simple but tasty nachos with Mexican ingredients. And here first we have some totopos, then we have cocinita, which is pork with certain spices. Then we have this yellow cheese, which is also added to some other types of nachos. Then we have natural beans, but we can also use any other types of beans, as long as the consistency is somewhat liquid. Then we have fresh cheese, grated fresh cheese. Now we gotta heat them up, the beans, the cocinita, and the cheese in the microwave or in the stove, wherever is fine. To prepare this cheese, get it ready to pour into the nachos. First, we add some in any bowl we want, and to reduce the creamy consistency, we add just a little bit of room temperature water, like this. Then we microwave it. I just took it out of the microwave after putting it for 30 seconds, and it looks like that. I'm gonna stir it a little so the water and the cheese meets and the creamosity disappears, but it looks kind of liquid and creamy. Neither too liquid, neither too creamy. So this is the consistency we want. It's hot right now. Then we do the same with the cocinita and the beans. We put them in the microwave. So once we have all the ingredients ready, heated or hot, we're ready to plate or prepare the simple, delicious, tasty nachos. Okay, so we just gotta put as much as the totopos as we want. We put them in our dish or bowl like that. Then we add beans, not too creamy, but kind of liquid, like this. He puts them. Alright, right after adding the beans, we add this delicious cocinita. We put them over its juice is so good. The juice of the cocinita makes the totopos softer, which is a very tasty thing. Okay, we add juice, cocinita juice. Then we add this yellow cheese. Also, as much as we want. And finally, the cherry on the top. Well, the fresh cheese on the top. We pour it like this. And there we have our nachos, cocinita nachos ready. And they're ready to be eaten. So we can eat them just with our hands. And let's hear. It's really good. So at the end we can find the juice. And the topos aren't that hard thanks to this juice. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Have a very tasty day.